This is my very first hunting trip out with our new Win Black with shadows, and I can't say enough. I guess I don't have much experience. I've only hunted with it for about 10 minutes, but the results speak for themselves. This is the smoothest drawing bow that I've ever drawn. They're just absolutely unbelievable. There's nothing I can do or say or show you to tell you what these bows are like, but you need to go find a shop that has one of these. Get in touch with us. We'll help you find somebody. Go put one of these in your hand. Take the bow you hunt with now and shoot this side by side. Everybody so far that we've had do that has pretty much decided on the spot it's something they're interested in. It's just unbelievable technology. This is a wonderful company with years and years of Olympic experience. They're incredible target manufacturers. They've got compounds now that are in our hunting industry, and you deserve to go try it yourself and see what it's like, because they're unbelievable. Check them out.